Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your avatar in Roblox account. If you want to change your profile avatar in Roblox, then follow along till the end. First, open up the Roblox application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now go ahead and tap on your avatar at the top left corner right in front of a username. In the pop-up, click on Edit Profile. From the page, click on the human icon right next to your avatar and you will end up in this page. You will see your current look with various options to edit. Tap on the categories at the bottom of the screen to customize your character. Choose on the characters option and you will be able to see a list of characters that has been recommended to you. If you want to just customize your character, simply click on Customize at the top and this will take you to this option from where you need to tap on Head and Body. Now here you can change your head, hair, skin, classic heads, torsos, etc. Tap on the item you want to equip and it will be applied to your character. Explore around with other options available, such as clothing, accessories, emotes, animations, etc. Combine different items to create your perfect avatar. You can wear multiple accessories according to your preference. Once you are done, you can get back and this will help you change your avatar in Roblox. Join the game to see how your new avatar looks in action. And that's how you give your Roblox avatar a fresh new look. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more easy, quick tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.